Annyeonghaseyo, everyone.
I'm Yashri from level 2.
I'm Shirmi from level 2.
I'm Yana from level 2.
I'm Matana from level 2.
I'm Yana from level 3.
And we are going to spelling in oral.
Hard. Ay, medium.
Medium. Brother. Yeah, I got 10 na.
B-R-O-D-H. Ay, T-H-E-R.
Balik na.
B-R-O-T-H-E-R.
Reminder. So,
R-E-M-I-N-D-E-R.
Reminder. Pretend. 10 na.
P-R-E-N.
Pretend.
T-E-N-D.
Ano? P?
P-R-E-T-E-N-D.
Sige, puli-puli na ta. Essential. Sige, ikaw.
E-S-I.
Dili.
Ay.
Sige. Essential.
E-S-I-E-N. Ay.
Sige, ikaw.
E-S-S-I.
E-S-S-E-S-E-N.
Ha?
Dili.
Uy, ako na puti.
Sige, ikaw.
G-S-N.
E-S-N.
E-S-S-I.
Dili.
Ay.
Di pa ay. Ikaw.
E-S-S-E-N-C-I.
See.
Ako din.
Essential.
Ako din. E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L.
Yes.
Hasayo everyone.
I'm Kim from level 3.
I'm Jaylit from level 3.
And today we're going to oral spelling.
Oral spelling. Okay.
Number one. Spell math.
Math. M-A-S-S.
Spell ecology.
Eagle. C-O-L O-G-Y. Ecology.
Right. Spell illness.
I-L-L-N-E-S.
Very good. Spell time.
T-I-M-E.
Spell speed.
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 S-P-E-E-D.
Okay. Spell sun. Sa'yo doon.
Huh?
Sun.
S-O-N.
Spell earth.
E-A-R-T-H.
Spell environment.
Environment. Sakto? E-N-V-I-R-O-N Environ M-E-N-T Environment.
Very good. Spell rock.
Rock nga ba to?
Rocks.
Ay, rocks day. R-O-C-K-S.
Okay. Spell life.
L-I-F-E.
Spell botany.
Huh?
Botany.
Botany. B-O-T-H. Ano to?
Botany.
B-O-T-A-N-Y.
Very good. Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-study students and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
My name is Lawrence.
My name is Samantha and we are going to study.
Uy, makita. Okay, si Cinderella kay namatay. Si Cinderella kay naglakaw.
Pasahon
Ay, ba? Si Cinderella kay naglakaw-lakaw. One day, din natagak ang mansanas, din namatay siya. Dayon, na mga prinsipe.
nanagan sila dayon ilang
Kahilo. Kahilo sa gipon. Wala. Ang kakuyos pag na.
dayon naputol
Na ay mga ungo.
Oo, dayon giputol dayon ilang yung mga
Then
dayon
kani.
willing kaning kalalaki ha willing niya mukaon og kani na ipakakaon niya
Ganang saan kay ano kuan kayo gatay taay.
dayon nahilis dayon siya
Nahilis yat.
niya nakakita siya mga mouse ang lalaki nga usa niya dagan-dagan siya ambak-ambak siya para di siya mapakan sa mouse niya ang kaning usa kayang gipasikan suka
Na daw tulong na patanood.
niya nahilis ang
Sipaz
suka
ang
aw kung kangkang
na-
kuring kangkang bulik kangkang
uy makadumugi na si Dabuya si Jeffrey kuan.
ang tatlong kung kangkang Bali. Ang tatlong haragan ay tumulong kay Emang Engkantada si Pa.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I'm Jamie Mia from level 3. And so today I will going to read about focus on pronunciation. Introduction. About focus on pronunciation. Focus on Pronunciation 3 is a comprehensive course that helps advanced students speak English more clearly and accurately. The course covers all aspects from pronunciation, sound, stress, rhythm, and intonation. Organization of focus on pronunciation. The units of focus of pronunciation, they are organized in 5 parts: vowel, consonant, symbol, written words, within words, theme, and intonation. Each part begins with an overview unit. The overview unit presents important topics included in that part. The units following the overview deal in depth with specific pronunciation point. Unit organization. The units following the overview typical have the following organization. Introduction. The introduction presents and explains the pronunciation point. It may show